What's up, guys? Welcome to Callahan Garage. Something a little different for you today. Waiting on some parts for the 57 and the Corvette. Plus I also got another truck. Anyways, sidetrack. So my wife's been bugging me because her blower fan has gone out in her 2019 Chrysler Pacifica. I'm pretty sure it's the same all the way up to 2022. For 2017, 2022, the blower motor goes out. You have to pull off the whole panel, which besides about 3 screws on the bottom and 3 screws on the tailplate, it's actually super easy. We just kept the seat belts kind of attached right back here. We didn't even unhook that. We're gonna go ahead and pull the blower motor, half the assembly, because if you notice, the assembly that I need to get to is actually on the other side. So we're gonna have to pull this out, and then I will get back to you and we'll update you once we get a little more done. All right, so the motor's out. It's a T something. I don't know what size that is. I can't tell on the screwdriver, it's so old. But there's basically 3 little screws, and you just slide this out, and then the bottom was a little bit pain in the butt to get to, but then you just kind of get it out. The whole thing slides out. Let's make sure the new motor match up. I'll get back. The good news is I did order the right motor. It looks a little different, but should match up. Everything else is pretty much the same. To give my wife a little bit of credit, this went out like end of last year, like last summer, so like August. It's now just June tomorrow. So yeah, I've been putting it off. So let's make sure it fits in there, and we'll put it all back together and see if it works. So the bottom screw is a little hard to get to by the fingers, so little duct tape, just taped right to the screwdriver. It should slide right in there, and then we'll tighten it up and put it all back together. Let you all appreciate that. It's quality craftsmanship. Just so you guys see, like this, it all pops back in, but you got a screw right there, and then you'll have a screw right there and a screw right there once I put the other plate on. Well, thanks for watching. It's a super easy job. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, I'm just chilling on the couch. So, God, waiting for parts. So hopefully we'll have the 57 parts here in a couple days, and you guys can, I'm pretty much done with that car. I'll give you a little sneak peek right here at the end, just to see the new stance. Kind of might be an SUV, I don't know. Let me know your thoughts down below. Thanks.